How to become a flight attendant for British Airways. British Airways is considered to be the largest international carrier in the world. The competition is highly competitive for those who want to become a flight attendant for British Airways. Steps. 1. Meet the age requirement for employment. The average age for a flight attendant is between 21 and 55. Complete the employment application form. The process can be completed in two formats. The applicant can complete the application form online via the airline website. Airlines also offer open house interviews. These interviews are similar to a casting call for actors. Open house ads are published in local newspapers indicating time and place. Appointments are not required for this type of interview. 2. Wait for an interview call or letter. The first selection of candidates that will be interviewed are from the top applicants that exceed the general requirements. 3. Prepare for the assessment. The assessment is a face-to-face interview with an airline representative. The interviewer will listen and visually evaluate the applicant's strengths and weaknesses. Some of the general assessment factors are: weight due to the limit in aisle space, size is important and must be in proportion to height. Height. Most airlines have specific height requirements. The average height for a flight attendant is between 5 feet, 2 inches, 1.5748 meters, and 5 feet, 9 inches, 1.8034 meters. College credits. British Airways focuses on portraying its staff as professional, efficient, and intelligent. Communication skills. Flight attendants will interact with diverse ethnicities, cultures, age groups, and races. Good physical condition. The position will require constant lifting, pushing, and long periods of standing. Free from chronic conditions. The recycled air can be harmful to a weak immune system. 4. Aim for the follow-up interview. The follow-up consists of personality test, written and video tests, skills, experience, and training questions, role play or scenario test. 5. Pass the background check required by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and Homeland Security. The check will be required for employees that will have direct contact with children or adults who are deemed vulnerable. The background check will include a criminal history of the applicant. Employment and references will be confirmed. Accept or reject the salary offer. The average flight attendant salary starts at $39,000 annually. The pay is based on actual flight time. Flight time starts when the airplane leaves the gate. Personality test. Tips. Research the company before applying for the position. Researching will give you insight of who they consider an ideal candidate. A passport or visa will be required for international travel. Warnings. Employment offers will be withdrawn if applicants fail the background check. Background checks may cover up to 10 years of criminal and employment history.